Today in this video we will see HTML overview. What is HTML and its tags, basic HTML document, etc. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it is most widely used language to write web pages. Hypertext refers to the way in which web pages HTML documents are linked together. Thus, the link available on a web page is called hypertext. HTML is a markup language, which means आप HTML simply use cursor markup language के through a text document with tags that tell a web browser how to structure it to display. Originally, HTML was developed with the intent of defining the structure of documents like headings, paragraphs, lists, and so forth to facilitate the sharing of scientific information between the searchers. We basic HTML document देखेंगे. बेसिक HTML डॉक्यूमेंट देखने के लिए हमें सिंपली टाइप करना है डॉक और एंटर प्रेस करना. हम VS कोड यूज करें तो डायरेक्टली सिंपली अपना HTML जो सिंपल बॉयलर टैग है वो आ जाता है इसमें. बेसिक HTML डॉक्यूमेंट में क्या रहता है? HTML हेड. In head tag there is meta, title. You can change the title name to whatever you like. My first web page. Either you can use try it option available at the top right corner of the code box to check the result of this HTML code, or let's save it an HTML file text HTML. So in body tag, body is the main page. Here you can see whatever you have typed or give head in a web page. So we will simply type h1 tag. This is a heading and a paragraph tag. Document content goes here. We will simply see our output. To see the output, we have to click here go live or right click on page and click on open with live server. So you can see this the web page. This is a heading. Document content goes here. So this is our first web page. This is a heading tag and this is a paragraph tag. We have written h1. This is a heading and paragraph. Document contents goes here, and a title my first web page. Now we will see HTML tags. As told earlier, HTML is a markup language and makes use of various tags to format data content. These tags are enclosed within angle braces, tag name. Except few tags, most of the tags have their corresponding closing tags. For example, HTML has its closing tag HTML. HTML has its closing tag HTML, as you can see in this video. And body tag has its closing tag body tag, etc. So we will see some type of tags here. I will provide you a handwritten notes of HTML overview. So let's start. I will erase it and write it again. Doc. What is an HTML? This tag encloses the complete HTML document and mainly comprises of document header, which is represented by head, means जो HTML tag है उसके अंदर हेड और बॉडी टैग इंक्लूड, which is represented by head, starting tag and ending tag, closing tag, and a document body which is represented by starting body tag and closing body tag. What is head tag? This tag represents the document's header, which can keep other HTML tags like title, link and etc. What is his head? Head ऐसा टैग है जिसमें हम टाइटल लिख सकें, that we have earlier seen an example. This is my web page, or we can link the external file, HTML file or other CSS file in this head tag. Link, you can see CSS 5 icon, and you can also link JavaScript from HTML. This is my script source. You can also link it here, JavaScript, and this you can also link CSS. You can see here. What is title? What is title? The title tag is used inside the head tag to mention the document title. What is body tag? This tag represents the document's body, which keeps other HTML tags like h1, div tag, which is generally used to make some blocks of colors, and paragraph tag, etc. What is h1 tag? This tag represents the heading. This tag represents the heading. What is paragraph tag? This tag represents the paragraph. To learn HTML, you will need to study various tags and understand how they behave while formatting the textual document. Learning HTML is simple, as users have to learn the usage of different tags in order to format the text or images to make a beautiful web page. World Wide Web Consortium W3C recommends to use lowercase tags starting from HTML4. Now we will see the HTML document structure. As you can see, this is the HTML document structure, but we will write it again. You have to simply type doc, or you can also type HTML, or you can also type exclamation mark. This is known as boiler tag. Exclamation mark is also called as boiler tag. If you enter it, you can see the HTML document structure. We will study all the header and body tags in subsequent chapters, but for now let's see what is document declaration tag. What is the doc type declaration? What is the doc type declaration? The doc type declaration tag is used by the web browser to understand the version of HTML used in the document. Current version of HTML is 5, and it makes use of following declaration: doc type HTML. There are many other declaration types which can be used in HTML document depending on what version of HTML is being used. We will see more details on this while discussing doc type tag along with other HTML tags. So this was the overview. This was a simple basic structure of HTML tags or HTML doc type tag. In next video, we will see basic tags of HTML such as heading tags, paragraph tags, horizontal lines, line break tag, etc. Till we will see a simple example on how to make a basic HTML structure and heading tag and a paragraph tag. So let's try. I will clear all this. So you have to simply type exclamation mark and press enter. You will see the structure of HTML. You will see the structure of HTML document. You will give the title my first web page. अब हम बॉडी के अंदर h1 heading tag लिखेंगे. We will further learn the heading tags in the next video. h1 heading p paragraph. Okay. You can also format the document by right click on the window and click on format document. We will see the result. So this is the result of our first web page. This is the heading h1 and this is the paragraph tag. So hope you have enjoyed. We will see basic tags in next video. So thank you so much.